Question 471. What role does data integrity play in academic production systems, and how do you ensure it in your analyses? Data integrity is critical in academic production systems to maintain trustworthiness and accuracy. I implement robust validation checks during data entry, use constraints in databases, and regularly audit datasets. Additionally, I use version control for data changes, ensuring that any updates are traceable and reversible, thereby safeguarding against data corruption or loss. Question 472. Can you describe a challenging data pipeline you have built, including the technologies used and the outcome? I developed a data pipeline utilizing Apache Airflow and AWS Lambda to automate the ETL process for student enrollment data. This pipeline ingested data from various sources, transformed it using Python, and loaded it into Snowflake. The result was a 40% reduction in processing time and more timely reports, aiding decision-making. Question 473. How do you approach troubleshooting performance issues in academic databases? When troubleshooting performance issues, I start by analyzing query execution plans to identify bottlenecks. I utilize monitoring tools like New Relic to track resource usage. After pinpointing the issue, often slow queries or inefficient indexing, I optimize queries and consider database partitioning for improved performance. Question 474. Explain how CCD principles can be applied in managing academic production environments. CCD principles in academic production environments streamline the deployment of code and data changes. Implementing automated testing ensures that changes do not disrupt existing functionality. Using tools like Jenkins, I automate deployment pipelines, allowing for seamless updates and rollbacks, thus enhancing the reliability of academic applications. Question 475. What experience do you have with cloud technologies, and how have they impacted your work as an analyst? My experience with cloud technologies includes using AWS and Azure for data storage and processing. Cloud platforms provide scalability and flexibility, allowing me to handle large datasets efficiently. They also facilitate collaboration among teams, enabling real-time data sharing and analytics, which improves decision-making processes in academia. Question 476. Describe a situation where you had to collaborate with cross-functional teams to achieve a project goal. In a recent project, I collaborated with IT, faculty, and data governance teams to implement a new academic reporting tool. I facilitated workshops to gather requirements and ensure alignment. By fostering open communication, we successfully launched the tool on time, enhancing reporting capabilities for faculty and administration. Question 477. What strategies do you use to maintain documentation for data processes and analyses? I adopt a structured approach to documentation by using tools like Confluence and Markdown files. I document every step of data processes, including source identification, transformation logic, and output formats. Regularly updating this documentation ensures that it remains relevant, aiding future analyses and onboarding new team members effectively. Question 478. How do you ensure that your analyses align with institutional goals and objectives? I start by engaging stakeholders to understand institutional goals and desired outcomes. I align my analyses by selecting relevant KPIs that reflect these objectives. Regular check-ins with stakeholders and iterative feedback loops allow me to refine my analyses, ensuring they provide actionable insights that support the institution's strategic initiatives. Question 479. Can you provide an example of how you've used statistical analysis to drive decision-making in an academic setting? I conducted a cohort analysis on student retention rates, using R to identify trends and factors influencing dropouts. By presenting these findings to the administration, I highlighted critical areas needing intervention. This analysis led to the development of targeted support programs, ultimately improving retention rates by 15% over 2 years. Question 480. What methods do you employ to assess the effectiveness of academic programs? I utilize mixed methods for program assessment, combining quantitative data from surveys and qualitative feedback from focus groups. By analyzing student performance metrics and satisfaction ratings, I identify strengths and weaknesses. This holistic approach provides a comprehensive view of program effectiveness, guiding improvements and resource allocation. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.